Hey guys, this is mjavedva with another tutorial whether how you can make a partial refund to your customers on Thrivecart. Well, to make a partial refund to a customer, sign into your account and click on transactions icon. Here, search your customer either by his name or email ID and then click on search after changing these options accordingly. It will show you the history of your customer's transactions, and then just click on the refund button of a transaction you want to refund. It will give you two options to select from. Either you can make a full refund or you can make a partial refund. Since this tutorial is about making a partial refund, I'm selecting the partial refund. And then just write the amount you want to refund. And here you can write some note about the refund, which is optional. And once you refund the amount to your customer, it will take up to 5 to 10 days to appear in his bank statement. And when you will click on refund, it will reconfirm whether you really want to refund this amount. Since I want to, just click on confirm refund. And it will refund the partial amount of this invoice. And here you can see that a refund transaction has been made. And this is how you can make a partial refund to your customers on Thrivecart. And if you have stayed this far, please consider supporting by liking, subscribing, and sharing your thoughts in the comment section. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.